YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now we already in August, you know, the year almost over with. A lot of heat been coming out, a lot of hype been coming out, a lot of trash been coming out as well, but we don't focus too much on trash on this channel, because if I don't want to wear it, I probably won't even talk about it. But enough about the trash, the hype and all that. I'm talking about one shoe in particular that's been catching my eye for a little minute now. You know, it's been rumored to release for a few years now. You know, a lot of mock-ups been coming out, a lot of review videos been coming out, but we finally got like the official shoe finally released. Not in the US yet, but it will be on September 24th. Already in Europe though, so if you in Europe, you know, you want to get these shoes. I don't know how hard it is to get it over there right now, but you know, right now resale isn't too crazy on these shoes. So if you want to get these shoes, you know, if I was you, I'll pull that trigger, because the price is definitely going up on these shoes. But without getting too much into it, man, without further ado, that shoe in particular is the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Toe, aka Taxis. Alright, y'all, you see the box. You see it, man, nothing out of the ordinary except for one major detail that y'all can clearly see on the box is the fact that it's not your typical black Jordan box with a red Nike. It's an orange or a taxi colorway Jordan box with the black Nike all over it. But other than that, everything's still the same. Got your typical Nike on the side, both sides there. Back, you know, still says everything that your typical Jordan 1 box would say on it. Nothing too out of the ordinary, nothing too crazy. Typical Jordan 1 size tag, you know, like I said, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing too crazy. But enough about the box, man. We're not talking about the box no more. We're getting to what's inside this box, man. And that right there is a very beautiful shoe, man. Probably one of my favorite Jordan 1 releases this year. I know y'all probably seen me with the Travis Scott, you know, other Jordan 1s, but honestly, I'm more excited for these than I was for the Travis Scotts, man. Like, yeah, of course, Travis Scott's a dope shoe, but this shoe right here, definitely up there on my list of favorite Jordan 1s to release so far this year. And Nike did no wrong with this shoe. They really stepped when it came to quality for this shoe. Craftsmanship for this shoe is amazing. Like, hands down, quality is top tier. Like, almost shattered backboard quality. Not quite there, but it's definitely up there with it. Like, take this shoe tray so y'all can see this toe box leather, man. Like, this shoe definitely, like, is definitely up there. Like, leather quality, real soft around the upper, around the collar part, you know, the back part, real, if I can see that, like, real soft leather on this shoe, man. But the toe box right here, man, like, that's the bread and butter. Like, this toe box is definitely up there. Like y'all see it, man. This toe box is amazing, man. Like, the quality on this shoe, once again, like I'm saying, man, top tier. Hands down, one of the best Jordan releases so far this year. Probably my second favorite release so far. Well, the other one is coming out, it's not out yet, but it's definitely my number 1 release. This is my number 2 favorite Jordan 1 release so far this year. But I'm excited for these. I'm glad to finally have it in my collection. Hopefully, when they drop worldwide, you have to get you a pair easily, because I know this is gonna be instant sellout. Like, the minute they drop on Sneakers app, they're gonna sell out. So make sure when these joints drop, man, your notification bell on the app is turned on, so you won't be somewhere, you know, missing out on the shoes. You sitting there, you playing a game or you watching a movie or something, you look up, oh man, the shoe dropped, I missed it. And you don't want to miss out on these. I'm telling you, resale for these is gonna shoot through the roof, man. I'm thinking, like, maybe not this year, but maybe like the next year or so, it's gonna be touching around $400-500, man. Trust me. The way the quality is in this shoe, the craftsmanship, man, this is like this is what a shattered backboard, like with the 3.0 should have been, because I don't know what they was doing with them shattered backboard 3.0s that came out with the whatever kind of leather that was in this shoe, but this right here, craftsmanship, man, is top tier, man. Like, everything about this shoe, from the outsole to the midsole, man, like, just, even though it's like just plain white and black, no sail or nothing like that, but it's just like the the leather on this shoe, man, that's really what makes this shoe stand out amongst other shoes that came out this year so far, especially the Jordan 1s. This is definitely a step in the right direction. I wish all Jordan 1 leather could come like this, man. Like, I wish all Jordan 1s from here on out could you know, take notes from this yellow toe or tax, whatever you want to call these shoes. Take notes, Jordan, man. Like, all the ones need to look like these, like leather-wise, not color blocking, but like leather-wise, because this leather, once again, top tier. And also, man, I'm impressed with like the stitching and everything. You know, sometimes you be seeing like out of place stitching on a lot of Jordan 1s and stuff like that, or like glue stains. This shoe is, like I said, once again, craftsmanship, top tier, man, amazing. They really did their thing with this shoe. They really put it together well. No crazy out of the ordinary stains, no nothing, man. This is just like an all around good cop. Like, this is gonna be the shoe that's you're gonna look at a few years down the line. If you missed out, you can be like, man, I should have copped these shoes and I had a chance, because now that price is whatever it's gonna be. But I'm telling y'all, man, cop these shoes when y'all can, bro. This is definitely, once again, my favorite. Well, my second favorite Jordan 1 releasing this year. Number one, of course, is gonna be the new Chicago's coming out, you know, later on this year. I'm definitely getting those. I gotta get those early too, because I need those, man. Like, I feel like the price for those shoes, when they do drop on release, their price is gonna be past the $700-800 mark, man. Maybe even $1,000. Because right now, resale for those right now is nuts. But these, like I said, man, if you're on a budget and you know you can spend like a little bit extra, these really it's a good cop, man, for the price it is. I'm impressed. You know what I'm saying? I'm pleased with the quality, pleased with the leather. I gotta show y'all one more time, man. Like, this shoe is top tier, man. Top tier craftsmanship, man. Jordan brand and Nike, hands down, did they thing with this shoe. But one thing I can say, or one thing I will say about the shoe that I'm upset about, is it doesn't come with extra laces. Like, it's just your typical, you know, black laces. So if you wanted to put like white or something in there that you thought would come with the shoe, it doesn't. This comes with the black laces, nothing crazy. But once again, it's not hard to get no white laces to put inside the shoe. You can easily find you a pair of white laces, put them in these shoes, and boom, you'll be straight. Or whatever color, even like an orange colorway, you know, if that's your thing. But me personally, I'm gonna keep the black Johnson here. I'm a fan of the black. It looks good to me. It makes the shoe pop more, so I'm keeping black in. But I almost got one other detail about the shoe that really caught my attention, was the insole. That's a real dope insole, man. I like the color of it, and also the way it feels, man. You know, of course you can't feel it on camera, but like, you can see like how it looks. You can tell how soft it is about looking at it. You know, of course it's just black on the back, but real nice touch with the insole, with the colors, you know, how it's matching up with the shoe and everything. So once again, I'm impressed with this shoe. I'm a fan of it. Definitely my second favorite Jordan 1 release this year. Number one, of course, like I said, is Chicago's, but this is really a close second. Like, Chicago's didn't come out this year, this would be my favorite release, Jordan 1 release so far of this whole year. Like, even if some other Jordan 1s came out, this would probably still be my favorite release if the Chicago's never came out, or they're not coming out, whatever. But once again, man, beautiful shoe, great cop. If I was you, I'll cop now, cop early. Don't wait till the last minute. Don't wait till the prices goes up, because they will go up. So if I was y'all, man, cop these now, man. This is definitely a good cop to have in your collection. Definitely a great shoe. So, hey, take my word for it. Take AC's word for it, man. You don't want to miss out on these shoes. You don't want to be sitting there looking sick when the shoe dropping, or after a while after the shoe drops and the prices, you know, through the roof. But once again, hey, man, I appreciate y'all for, you know, watching my videos, liking my videos. Make sure y'all keep liking that, you know, liking my videos. Keep smashing that like button. Keep smashing that subscribe button. Turn the notification bell on, man. You know, I'm out here, man. I'm putting this content out for y'all, man. I'm putting out real sneakerhead content for real sneakerheads, like, you know, like me and you. You know what I'm saying? Like, we all here for one reason: sneakers. So once again, I appreciate y'all, man, for supporting my channel. Keep getting my name out there. Keep getting my face out there. Keep supporting my videos, man. And I'm gonna catch y'all on my next video, y'all. Peace.